The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Remove the frame. Remove any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1072 filter into the frame. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, push the top and bottom edges down until they are under the tabs. This will help the filter lay straight. Reinstall the filter housing frame. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Close the glove box.